Does this make you cringe? Every year we've helped you escape Valentine's Day and do nothing. But maybe that's not enough.
Challenge accepted.
5-Star presents Erase Valentine's Day. We've built the world's first time travel vessel designed to achieve humanity's ultimate goal. To skip Valentine's Day entirely in 1 minute. How? We let Nambi Narayanan explain.
Because of different time zones, when it is Valentine's Day morning on this island, it will already be 6 a.m. in Peru, 9 p.m. in Australia, and February 15th morning in this area. So if a vessel travels in this direction across the international date line, it will skip 24 hours in just 1 minute, while the people inside just eat 5-star and do nothing.
3 volunteers will soon achieve the impossible. Join us in the control room on February 14th to witness a historic breakthrough that will pave the way for a future where we can all skip that wretched day.
Test drill successful.
A future where we eat 5-star and do nothing. Watch it live on February 14th at 4 p.m.